Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Scallop Spring Roll. Spring roll is one of the common dishes during Chinese New Year. It symbols of wealth and prosperity. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Peel the carrots. Julian cut the carrots. Cut the cabbage into smaller sizes. See the lines on the chestnut? Cut along the lines. Use a peeler to peel off the skin. Cut the chestnuts into smaller pieces. Cut the scallops into smaller pieces. Dry the scallops as much as possible using paper towels. Finally, chop the dried shrimps. And that's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil and add in the scallop. Stir fry until they start to brown. Remove the scallop. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 tablespoon of garlic. When the garlic starts to brown, add in the dried shrimps. Add in more oil when it becomes too dry. Once the shrimps smell is out, add in the chestnut, carrot, and cabbage. When the cabbage starts to soften, add in all the condiments and mix well. The mixture should not be too wet. Remove the mixture and let it cool down. Put a piece of pastry on a flat surface. Prepare a bowl of cornstarch solution. Add a teaspoon of mixture on the center of the pastry. Roll the bottom to the center and push the ingredients to the bottom. Make sure there are as little air as possible. Roll up one turn and fold the sides so you have 2 straight lines up at the side. Roll it one more time and use your fingers to wet the top with the cornstarch solution. This is to ensure the spring roll is secured tightly. You will get used to this after a few rounds, so be patient. Prepare a pot of oil, enough to cover your spring rolls. It will be roughly 2 cups of oil depending on your pot. Put in a wooden stick, and if the bubbles are forming, the oil is ready. Add in the spring roll carefully and do not overcrowd. Remove the spring rolls when they are golden brown. Serve them immediately with your favorite sauce. It's done! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!